You ever heard of Bacsilog? It's a bacon version of a silog, which is a Filipino style of breakfast consisting of sinangag, which is garlic fried rice, and itlog, which is eggs. The first syllable refers to the protein that takes the starring role in the dish. For example, spam silog, longganisa, long silog, and of course, bacon, bacsilog. Now, Bacsilog got popular in the Philippines in about 2006 when a place called Ate Rita's Bacsilog started selling it from their food cart, selling to students and workers in the area needing a quick, satisfying bite to eat. The thing that makes this humble dish so good is the cheese sauce, the signature cheese sauce that ties everything together. It doesn't look like much, but its strength lies in its simplicity. And because we have all of these things at home, I'm going to show you how to make it right now.
Now we're going to start this by cutting some bacon into large pieces. You need about 2 slices per person. This is the double thick. You can vary the size to your taste, but you don't want them too small as to make them crisp up to bacon bits. Put them in a pan on medium-high heat and move them around the pan to render the fat. When you get them to the doneness that you like, remove them and set them aside on a paper towel to drain. Now you want to drain off all but a couple tablespoons of the bacon fat into your pan, and then we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. We're going to turn the pan down to medium so we don't burn the garlic and make it bitter. Now we want to gently fry it until it's golden. Now once that's done, we're going to add some cold rice. So this is leftover rice from the night before, and we're just going to break it up with the paddle, and we're going to make sure that everything is nice and evenly cooked, and when that is done, we're going to set it aside. Okay, so let's make our signature cheese sauce by adding 1 can of evaporated milk into a pan that we're going to put on medium heat and slowly bring up to a simmer. So now when that milk comes to a simmer, we're going to whisk in 1 cup of shredded mozzarella. This is a ghetto Mornay sauce, but you know what? It works. We're going to whisk in that cheese until it's melted and everything is combined. We're going to wait for a nice thickness that can coat the back of a spoon. And from there, we're just going to add a dash of Maggi and whisk it again to mix everything together. And once that's done, we're going to remove it from heat and set it aside. So a silog is not a silog without an egg. So we're just going to fry up an egg really quick the way we like it, and then we're going to get ready to assemble. Okay, so we got our large serving bowl here, and we're going to start by putting in the fried rice. And then on that, we're just going to add some bacon. You put as much as or as little as you like. Then from there, we're going to pour a little bit of the cheese sauce over everything and then top with the fried egg. Finish with more cheese sauce and finally some chopped green onion just for color.
So that is the recipe for Bacsilog, my version of Bacsilog anyway. And I hope you enjoy it, take it with you, make it yours, and have fun in the kitchen, which brings me to my question of the day. What is your favorite bacon dish? Let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, and if you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. Now we're slowly building on this struggle food playlist, and as we go on through 2020, we'll be exploring more of these recipes, and my hope is that you can take the knowledge, draw from it, and use it to create some of your own great dishes as you become better at this in the future. So I hope to see you again next time.